Good evening to all of you. In this particular presentation, I will be just taking that how our trend analysis for this week has performed on the first trading day of the week. So many used to say that whatever the process we mention here, how you should trade along with the futures and options based on this particular trend report. So many newcomers used to find it difficult to understand what should be the trade and how that trade perform on real time basis. So here my objective is to explain that whatever the trend report we have given on 23rd February, which is being emailed to you, which is being flagged in our website under the download section, and many of you would have downloaded this report also. And we also have released the video on this YouTube mentioning that this is how the trend should be. This particular video also presents about this week's trend analysis. So first day today, how it has performed, so that I am going to describe. So today what are the actions has happened, from that actions only we will be drawing some of the conclusions. So here what happened, today Monday, the Nifty future has opened at 10,541, made a low 10,536. So this is the opening first 15 minutes of event happened, or post 15 minutes of event also this was the trend, it was there. So as per this particular report, I used to say that you have a chance to buy till 0.5 retracement, even till 10,568. However, if I just say that after 15 minutes of gap, after 15 minutes of market open, if you consider the price action, you got a chance to purchase the Nifty in between the band of 10,536 to 10,554. Maybe individual trader will have an individual price tag, but this is the range in which you have bought it. We have post 15 minutes or 20 minutes, it was very much available in the 10,554 range. So how it has performed? So as per the report, we got a chance to buy it in the 36 to 53 range, along with one 10,500 put option. This too also was available at 133 to 128 range. This also, I am not saying this, you can verify it from the NSE data. So if I just go to the NSE option data, I can able to verify it because it is 82 to 83 to 94, 11 to 12 point premium Nifty is trading. So future is 94, spot is 83, 11 points of premium is there. So here if I just go for 10,500 and put option, because future is at 10 point premium, 11 point premium. So if I just go to the 10,500 put option, so this data will tell me about the spot market price. The underlying part, it is telling about the spot market, and the contract is nothing but your premium plus strike price. Premium plus strike price is shown in the contract. Underlying is nothing but the spot price. So if you look into these particular informations on the what is the underlying asset price and what is the contract price, you'll find out that till 53, so 53 means definitely the spot will be around 10,541. So we got a range. So here contract says that 129. So 125 to 135, that is the 133 range, 31, 32 range. We got the options to purchase also. So this is what I am writing here. I am telling you got a chance to buy the Nifty future in this particular zone. Maybe the individual trades will be different. And you got a chance to hedge it with the 10,500 put option, which you can got it at 133 to 128. So Nifty future made a high of 10,400 614 rupees and 70 paisa. So what calculation we have given? 615.2. So this is the approximately our third target is being this one, and trailing stop loss is being kept at 10,602.8. This is the trailing stop loss also for this particular target. So if I just take this particular values into that, so closing basis I am telling Nifty has closed today at 10,594. Same time 10,500 put option also closed at 107. So if I just factor these values, this is the closing and this is where I entered 53 to 53 higher end I am taking for the future. I am also taking the option in the higher end 133 I am considering. I consider I entered the Nifty future at 10,553. Same time I entered the option also at 130. This is the worst case scenario of entry if you can say also. So I could have got it at 128, but I am considering another 5 points I am giving for the option hedging also. So if I take this price into confidence, so 94 to 53, so 41 point profit I am making in the future. 107 to 133, so 26 point of loss I am making in the option. So net whatever is 41 minus 26 whatever is coming and multiplied with the 75 lot size, 1,125 rupees profit it gives you at the end of the day. So if you could have exited at 615 and the options, then maybe your profit could be another 700 800 point more. So I am just going for a lower estimation of profit to show that yes, there is a profit. Now coming to the Bank Nifty, same thing it has happened. 25,530 it is opened, made a low of 25,452. So what the report says here, Bank Nifty 0.382 level we should make an entry. This is what I used to tell in the Bank Nifty. So 0.382 crossover we should make an entry. So 25,546 above our entry was there, or crossover of 25,546. So if I just take that price into confidence, 25,546 if I enter, and along with that on monthly option 25,546 I am just entering the future. I am hedging it with on 25,500 put option, monthly option. So that time it was available in the zone of 400 to 380. This is the zone because individual trades, someone could have got in 398, someone could have got it under 390. So 400 to 382, this is the zone I am just fixing. Nifty future made a Bank Nifty future made a high of 25,778 in the day. So 778 in the sense we have calculated third target till 734. You gone till 778. So and retrace from there 719 or 715 you have closed. So if I just take that closing price, so today last was 25,714 and the put option was 347. This is the last traded price of the option. If I just take this thing into account, 168 points profit in the future, 52 points loss in the options, lot size is 40, you made 4,640 profit. So this is the first day performance of the weekly trade along with hedging. Always I used to say hedging is must. So today you got a success, 41 point profit you earned, however 26 point you have sacrificed, 168 point profit you made, 52 point you sacrificed. So these sacrificing points do not consider it as a loss. You have protected a trade. For that you have paid this price to protect your trade. So had the case been different, suppose if you have entered the trade and the stop loss could have been made for the Nifty or the Bank Nifty. Suppose if you would have entered the trade at 25,546 and stop loss 25,264 would have come, or the Nifty If you would have entered at 53 level and 10,460 stop loss would have come, in this particular situation, your option would have saved a 50 to 60% of your losses. So for that purpose only you are hedging the trade. For that purpose is you are hedging the trade, and this hedging is very, very essential to be successful in long run. So this is how it performed. This is what we have said on that day. I have also mentioned here put options. You can get it at 137 to 141. So IV has decayed. You got it in a 133 to 128. Good. We have mentioned that this range you will get, but you have got it at a lower price. So clear-cut instructions is being given here. If you are buying, you should buy a put option and which range it is expected to be available. So it is better. We have expected it should be available at 137 to 141. You have got it at 128 to 137. It is better bargain you got because of IV fall. IV fall also it is good for us. So by this process of hedging and trading, first day of the week today, Bank Nifty given you 4,600, Nifty has given you 1125. However, remaining trading days are there, and you have all probability to get some bigger profits out of this trade. So even though if you are not adopting any of the advanced concept of hedging, this simple hedging technique also will make you successful. And this is how if you use the one standard deviation concept, you will be definitely successful here. So here, very few points I just wish to make. Today's high 10,000, 10,614 rupees and 70 paisa. So this is what 640. Why it has not gone beyond that? So this is also a fact you need to understand. Yes, because if the trend calculation you have got some just for 30 to 40 paisa, you have missed the target here in the day one. Here you have shoot off near to some 30 to 40 points above the third targets also you have shoot off. So very close near to that also you have come. So the best part of any trend analysis is whatever analysis you do, market should oblige or accept it. So this is what the best thing of a trend analysis. So this is one of the best principle of trend analysis. Follow it, and I have also demonstrated how many points of profit you have made on the faster trading day using this particular report, using the hedging. So keep following these particular things so that you should be successful in your trading career. So that should be a definite way to trade, definite process to trade. Just by watching the TV channels, just by watching someone's buying someone's tips or advice, you cannot become successful trader. You need to learn, you need to understand the method what you are using. Your method should be loyal enough. Method should be correct to give you the correct trend forecast. That is very important. So this, if you think that yes, this part of testimony is a true testimony, it is conveyed to you in a true manner, then opt for this one standard deviation software, which costs you 5,900 including GST. Including GST, 5,900 it costs you. And you can use the same analysis for intraday as well as positional in all your trades, equity, stock future, commodity and options. This type of accuracy you can expect in all segments. So if you think it is a true demonstration and truly it is being shown to you what is the analysis said and what is the reality come, then obtain this software. It costs you 5,000 plus tax. Just click on this price tag and go for this buy. And if you are going for this particular video, if you are seeing in our YouTube channel, do visit this weekly trend also, what we have explained in this weekly trend, so that it will be more clear on what we said and what it has happened. And for your education, we have great stops. We have 6 different courses and all different softwares. If you think to quit and get a complete knowledge out of the market, about the market, so you can opt for our full package course, which will cost you 17,500 plus 990 as the GST. So keep following this week's trend report. Compare with the success whatever I have shown. If you trust in this method, procure this particular software for your trading benefit. If you still need to observe this particular report for few more weeks, also first you observe for few more weeks, get the confidence on that report, get the confidence that yes, it works in the market, get the confidence that yes, there is a definite principle to trade and get success in the market. Then you procure this software. Thank you.